So everybody, you can just chill like this one by one. No sound. Mute. Yeah, because there was an insect, okay? I was like, oh my gosh, there is an insect in my room. Because I have so many plants in my room. That's why, there is many insect. I love nature. I'm a nature lover. I love greenery. I love to make my room greenery because I never go outside. Actually, I don't have much friend. I'm sorry, but I don't have friends in my country, so I never go outside. But only with my cousin sisters. Okay, they are cousin sister and cousin brother. I will go with them, but sometimes, okay, when they have a free time because they have their own friend. Hey, teacher. I don't. It was on me again. Thank you, beautiful girl, Nigora. I already did something wrong, but it's okay. We can just hide it. I will just hide this, okay? It doesn't matter. Oh my gosh, I just missed my... Hoo. Say something in your mother tongue, okay? Oh, Jill Smith. Me too, love plants. Wow, we are same. Okay. म तिमीलाई मन पराउँछु. Seven Swan, Jill Smith, Falcon, everybody, I'm saying something, okay, in my language. म तिमीलाई मन पराउँछु. Namaste, everyone. Namaste means like Hindi and Nepali is almost same, like maybe. Okay, everybody, it sounds cute, boo. But difficult to pronunciation, I guess. Yeah, म तिमीलाई मन पराउँछु means I love you. म तिमीलाई मन पराउँछु. Everybody. Everybody, welcome to my live streams. Swati, I'm not capable to collab. I just have a small viewers right now, but difficult to pronunciation, I guess. Yeah. So, Falcon is good.